Hi, my name is Cat Levine from Think and Be Me, building children's mental health and well-being for life. The first one is noticing and naming how we're feeling. The second one, in the calm cube, is calming our body and calming our brain with the strategies we talked about on that calm cube. And the third step is using the thinking cube. Now, this is based on cognitive behavioral therapy, and it's a very common way of helping people realize how what they think affects how they feel and what they do. What do they think about themselves? What do they think about other people? And what do they think about the world? Because we can all have all sorts of different stinking thinking. That might be, I'm never going to get ahead. Bad things always happen. No one likes me. I'm dumb at maths. I'm stuck. I can't do this. And that kind of stinking thinking is like these automatic voices that go over and over in our head without us realizing. It's kind of like our manual, or how we live our life. So with this 3 steps, as we catch it, which is catching that stinking thinking. So once you've gone through the other strategies and they've calmed down, is trying to identify what is that stinking thinking that they might have. In the video series that they're watching at school and they can watch at home with you, we identify a whole lot of stinking thinking, and I'll do a separate video about that so you can understand more about what you're identifying. The second step is checking it. Is that thought true, kind, and helpful? Because sometimes we can have a thought, like I used to have a thought that no one loves me, there must be something wrong with me. And that affected my life for a long time. And until I challenged, in my 30s, I challenged that and realizing it's okay to be different and people do love me. But that was affecting myself and my mental health by having that automatic thought process that was behind the scenes, that stinking thinking. So just checking, is it really true? And the last step is changing the stinking thinking to cool cat thinking, which is even when no one plays with me at school, the truth is I can still make friends. Or even when I don't get picked for the team, the truth is I can still enjoy playing football. And changing that stinking thinking and reprogramming that so that they've got that really good positive narrative that's going on in their head. And then the last page there, the last side there, it's got a whole lot of positive affirmations for them about who they are. I'm honest, I'm generous, I'm loyal and kind, and getting them to say those positive things about themselves on a regular basis. And there's a couple of blank gaps there that they can write in some more about themselves as well. So that's the thinking cube.